To boost growth, insurers are looking for a multitude of channels through which they can distribute their products to consumers and businesses, including embedded insurance into third-party websites. Evari solution enables the distribution of products via digital channels through API and no-code, low-code builder tools. Today, they will show and tell about their CloudStream platform and how their event-native architecture helps insurers to be more flexible and agile, while enabling product innovation and digitalization of customer experiences. Next on stage, Evari.
Good morning. We're very excited to show you the Evari CloudStream platform, which is a flexible platform for the next generation of financial services. There's just one word I want you to remember from our presentation today, and that is flexibility. My name is Daniel Fogarty. I'm the former CEO of Zurich Insurance for Australia and New Zealand, and I've been in the insurance industry for over 20 years. I'm passionate about our industry better solving the needs of our customers and the needs of all of our stakeholders. I'm very fortunate with my two co-founders to found two people with the same passion. One is Robert, who's here today, and the third one is our tech co-founder, Brack. We also have a passionate team around the world who every day we immerse ourselves in the challenges of the insurance industry, and we use the Evari CloudStream platform to solve those challenges. So why do you need flexibility? The business speed is increasing. You need flexibility to meet your customers' needs, and Evari can provide that flexibility. That flexibility comes in products, with whatever product that you want to provide, whatever design experience you want to provide. That comes in distribution, whether that be flexibility in being able to do embedded insurance or through our traditional channels of brokers and agents, call centres and internet. Flexibility around what data you use and how you link into other systems. Flexibility in pricing and underwriting. And we do this on a no-code platform in the cloud. So today, we've set up a demonstration just for this event. We are showing one particular part of this, but please don't box us into that. We work right the way across insurance, and I'll hand over to Robert to do the demo.
Thank you, Daniel. So as Daniel says, we do all types of insurance across all lines, but today, for the purposes of today's demo, we decided we're going to do a travel insurance product. And it was typical with these types of products that we might embed this into an affinity partner's website. And that's really easy. Into a simple HTML website here, the purple background, we've embedded our quote experience. And so as we use, in this case, the insured goes through and we're completing the quote experience, all of these answers are being passed in real time back through to our back to the Evari platform, and we're doing our underwriting and our rating. So we're going through, we're choosing which type of product we want, and we're going to add our different traveller information. And then once we go through, we've instantly underwritten it and we've priced it and we've given 3 different options of cover. Now what I want to just do now is just pause and show you what this looks like through an agent experience. So we have a portal, we're able to search, we'll pull out that same quote. And when we look at this quote form, what you'll see is that it's going to be exactly the same information that's shown because they're actually the same form that both users are looking at. Now let's go back to the user experience. We're going to fill in some additional information. So we're going to tell them about what activities we're planning to do, and we're going to select which of the products we want to purchase. Here you can see in real time that information has been put back onto the other form that the agent's looking at. This is really powerful, this co-browsing capability, not just for if you're an insured with maybe a call center agent, but also if you're a broker and an underwriter working through a submission collaboratively. Now let's go back. So the insured's going to go through, we're going to capture some additional information, and give us some credentials that we can set up an account, and we're going to be able to log in and manage this policy on an ongoing basis as well. So they're going to bind the policy. Now, because we're a core policy administration system as well, what we wanted to do is give this product an edge. So we're going to give it the ability to create, to add flights and to be able to do a parametric flight delay product. So at any time during the policy, the user is going to be able to go in, and we've basically added questions on here which will match the information we need to pass across to our flight status API. And that means that we're now subscribed to those updates. We can communicate to the insured to let them know the status of the flight. And in the event that the flight's delayed, we'll be able to issue a notification and issue a real-time claim settlement as well. So at this stage, what I'd like to do is just pause and take you through some of our other features, just to give you a sense of how flexible and easy it is to do. So this is just some of our styling that a business user can do. The full experience is highly configurable using our simple low-code tools. It goes beyond that. So let's go back to our travel product, and let's go and add another question into this flow. So there's already a question that looks pretty similar to what I want to use. I'm going to use that as the basis for my new question rather than creating one from scratch. So I've got to clone it, but I'm going to change the label on the question to make it fit our purpose. And I'm going to be able to preview that. And once I'm happy with it, I'm going to be able to commit that and publish that question. That will then be available across all of the products on the Evari platform. In this case, I want to add it to my travel product. So I'm going into our page builder, and I'm going to add that question into our configuration here using our low-code tools. Again, I can preview it. And then when I'm happy, I'm going to be able to publish it or schedule it to be published. I'm going to push it there live now. And if we go back to our quote form we were on before, you can see the questions being added. But I don't want it to show all the time. We only want this question to be shown if the answer to a particular question is a certain thing. So I'm going to add a visibility rule using our rule builder. This is actually what we use to build all of the rules on the platform, including really complex ratings. So the question will normally not be shown unless the answer to our destination is worldwide, excluding the USA, in which case this question is just going to verify that they know that it's excluding the USA. So again, I could go and test this at this point. It's a pretty simple visibility rule. So once I'm happy with it, I'm going to commit it. And then on the form, instantly you can see when I select the right answer, this question is going to be visible. Hopefully that just gives you a sense of the flexibility of the platform and the power of the low-code tools that we have. Daniel, back to you.
Great. Now you've seen the Evari platform, which is the fully flexible end-to-end insurance in the cloud. It's that flexibility that we provide that you need to meet your customers' needs and to be able to do things in the way you want. So we've showed you one product here. We do lots of products right the way across the insurance industry. We do the workflows. Rob was showing you through the workflows, the way you can be flexible on the workflows. You'll be flexible on pricing, underwriting, products, the way you present them, and you can use data in whatever way you want and link into other systems. And we have another edge as well. We're an event-native platform. We use event streaming as our core, so your CIO and your CTO will love us as well. That's probably a bit too long to explain that in this presentation, but we'd love you to come and see us at our booth or talk to us sometime in the conference to see how Evari can help you better meet your customers' needs, better meet the needs of all of your stakeholders, and how you can be more competitive for today and for tomorrow. Thank you for listening.